It's variable, man.
Hey Rob, how you doing?
Good, how you doing?
Good, thanks. Welcome to Skydive Palm Beach. So obviously we're going to go skydiving, is that right?
Yes, sir.
First time?
First time.
What's the occasion?
You know, my buddy's in town from Cleveland, so.
All right. Well, you're going to love this, I guarantee it. Let's tell people at home what we're going to do. How high are we jumping from?
I think about 10,000 feet.
That's right. Almost 2 miles. Straight down. How fast are we going to fall?
About 120.
It's pretty fast. Almost twice the legal speed limit. You got any last words before we go?
Let's bring this baby down hard. I don't want to limp away from it.
Let's do it.
Wow, that was gnarly.
Just jumped out of a plane. What do you think?
Woo! That was crazy. Woo! Let's do it again.
Nice job, man.
Yeah. Oh, man.
Beautiful view, huh?
Yeah, this is something special. Thank you. Woo! Rough, little rough. Right one?
Right.
Oh, jeez. Messing me over here.
All right, man, you did it. You jumped out of a plane. What do you think?
It's gnarly, man, gnarly. Lost my voice and everything.
You look like you had fun up there.
Flashed.
What was your favorite part?
Favorite part? Probably when you pulled that little prank on me without warning me.
All right, well, thanks for coming out to Skydive Palm Beach. What do you have to say to your friends and family at home watching this, thinking about skydiving?
I had a great time. I'm only messing with him. He's a great person. Had a great time.
All right, your friends want to go skydiving, who do they call? 561 jump?
Now.
All right. Cool.